How are you doing, guys? Recently I had a parcel sent to me and it came from a mate called Paul Genge. Now he's the guy at Phototech, and he sent me these two. Okay, it is a Newell battery charger and battery for my Sony A7R4. So first of all, thank you, Paul, for sending this. I'm not sponsored, I'm not an ambassador. I think actually he sent it to me out of sympathy because I only have one battery for my camera. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to have a quick look through it and just to see what I make of it upon first impression. So let's get rid of this. Okay, first impressions. Looks cool. It's a 2-dock station, okay? So for me, that can take both my batteries. Now I have 2. So the battery itself, identical to the original Sony. Everything about it, the feel, the quality, and everything else. This slots in to the charger, and at that moment, an LED display comes up, and that shows you the amount of charge, the time, etc., to charge the battery up. This is also a super fast charger and can have your batteries charged in 2.4 seconds. Not quite, but either way, it's super fast charging, and yeah, the overall build quality is superb. The station itself, very light, but solid, and it comes with your USB power cable that you can plug obviously into computers, laptops, or into a fast charging plug and straight into the socket. As for the dock itself, what I like about it is underneath you have this, and if you pop it out, that in itself can just clip there, and you can plug that in on the go as well and get your charge from your laptop or device. Overall, I haven't tried the battery in the camera yet, fully charged, so I'll come back to you on that and I'll let you know how that goes. But overall, first impressions are superb. Thank you very much, Paul and the guys at Phototech. If there was one thing that I could perhaps, I don't know, be a bit pedantic about, I would say, looking at this now, literally while we're here, I would say, could that be a bit longer? If you had a station going, perhaps, I don't know, and I won't know until I've put this through its paces. But first impressions, guys, superb bit of kit. I would be interested to know the price. I don't know the price. I'm just very grateful to these guys. So yeah, there we are. A quick shout out to Phototech, and thank you very much for this gift. Boom.